Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Omnisend, one of the most talked about email marketing tools for e-commerce. I will be doing a full Omnisend review, so if you're wondering whether it's the right fit for your business, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down the pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know if Omnisend is worth your time and your money. And stick around because there's a special offer at the end that could save you some cash on your Omnisend subscription. All right. Let's start with what Omnisend is all about. It's an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email, SMS, and automation tools, mainly for e-commerce businesses. What sets Omnisend apart is its focus on making advanced marketing strategies accessible, even if you're not a tech whiz. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. First up, the user interface. When you log in, you're greeted with a clean, modern dashboard. Everything is laid out in a way that's pretty easy to navigate, even if you're new to this kind of software. The drag-and-drop editor is a standout feature. It makes creating emails and automation workflows a breeze. No coding required, which is a huge plus if you're more focused on running your business than learning how to code. Next, let's talk features. Omnisend is packed with them: automation workflows, segmentation, SMS marketing, A/B testing, and more. The automation is probably the most powerful part of the platform. You can set up complex workflows that trigger based on customer behavior, like sending a welcome series when someone subscribes or a cart recovery email when they abandon their cart. This can seriously boost your engagement and conversion rates. Quick pause here. If you're already thinking Omnisend sounds like a good fit, you can try it out for free and get a discount on your subscription. Just hit the link in the description below to grab that offer. All right, back to the review. One of the things I really appreciate about Omnisend is its customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat, email support, and a pretty extensive knowledge base. Plus, there are video tutorials and a community forum where you can connect with other users. So, if you ever get stuck, help is just a click away. Now, let's touch on pricing. Omnisend offers a free plan, which is great if you're just starting out or want to test the waters. As your business grows, you'll likely need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which unlocks more advanced features like SMS marketing and advanced segmentation. The pricing is competitive, but keep in mind that as your contact list grows, so will your costs. So, it's something to budget for as you scale. So, what's the verdict? Omnisend is a powerful, user-friendly tool that's packed with features to help you take your e-commerce marketing to the next level. It's especially great if you're looking to streamline your email and SMS campaigns under one roof. But like any tool, it's important to weigh the features against your specific needs and budget. And remember, if you're ready to give Omnisend a try, we've got that special offer for you. Just check out the link in the description to start your free trial and get a discount on your subscription. It's a great way to see if Omnisend is the right fit for your business without breaking the bank. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on e-commerce tools and strategies. Have you used Omnisend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.